Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best deodorant ever from baking soda and coconut oil. Here we go. This is a baking soda. We'll need about 2 tablespoons. So here's 1 tablespoon. Good. It can be messy, it's just baking soda, so it's nothing. 1. Two. Okay. Next ingredient is coconut oil. We'll take 1 tablespoon. A tablespoon of coconut oil. 1. Let's say this is a tablespoon. Okay. And we'll mix it. Okay. Sorry for the mess, but what we need to do now is just mix it. I can see it's we've put a bit too much oil, and that's fine. So what we'll do is just add some more baking soda. So what you can see is that it's not the exact science, and we'll just put some more. We need it to be a bit less runny. It needs to be a bit more solid. Okay, mix it. Wow. Yeah. So let's say we're putting about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. It doesn't need to be runny, that's the point. It needs to be a bit more creamy. It's still runny, so we'll put some more. We'll put everything that I have. Okay, that's it. And you can make it with less coconut oil, so it'll be a bit more creamy. Now it's like very oily. Okay, and for the scent we'll put some 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Opa, I already smell it. And that's it, you see? Now, after we've mixed it, we'll put it into this nice little glass container. Got a nice smell, and what I like about this deodorant is that even if you're really smelly from sweat, when you put this deodorant, the smell is gone, and you feel fresh and you're not stinky. That's why it's the best deodorant I've ever encountered, and it's so easy to make. So good luck, friends. Let me know in the comments how did it go for you, if you like it. We apply it, we just take it on the finger and then we put it in our armpits. Okay friends, have fun. Please comment, like and subscribe.